this is Dr. Sam from Rehabilitation Chiropractic. I'm going to show you a few exercises to improve your balance. Okay, so the first two are kind of like a test, but you can use them as an exercise as well. So first, what you want to do is just balance on one leg and set a timer to see how long you can hold this position for. You may find it really easy or really hard. Just give it a go and see how long you can hold it for. And after a few weeks of doing these exercises I'm going to show you, retest and see how much better you are. Obviously do that with both legs, record down left leg, right leg. Each leg is going to be a bit different. And then that's test number one. Test number two is doing it with your eyes closed, okay? So you're going to be quite a bit more wobbly with your eyes closed. So yeah, just keep that in mind, that you're not near anywhere that if you accidentally fall, you're not going to hurt yourself. Okay, so the exercises I'm going to show you is alternating toe touches. Okay, so the first one is just basically bending over and touching the opposite toes with your, like I'm going to do it with my left hand, and you're going to kick the other leg back straight and keep the hips square. Okay, so just like this, and bring it forward and try to balance. Do that 5 to 10 times. If it's too hard to come forward and keep your foot off the ground there, then put your foot down and reset. Do 5 to 10 on each leg. If it's too easy, then do more than 10, obviously. Then the next 3 exercises I'm going to show you is 3 single leg squat progressions. Okay, single leg squat is a really good exercise for your mobility, for your strength, and for your balance. Okay, so the first one, you're going to stand in a staggered position, and what you're going to do is just squat on the back leg. Okay, the front leg is just there for support. Okay, so squat down and then come up. All right, if this gets too easy, then slide that front leg forward more, and it's going to make it a bit harder. Okay, if you can't squat down that low, which I know a lot of people can't, but that's fine. Just squat as low as you can, okay? The second one is using a step or a box, something sturdy, okay? This is quite low, so if you start with something higher, it's better. But I'm just going to show you. You can do it on a higher surface. Okay, all you need to do is squat down, and then you can put the other leg down and stand up. So this exercise is just to get you more mobile and get you more confident into squatting down into one leg. And the slower you go down, the more the muscles will also be challenged. So that's a good way to strengthen up the muscles. And the last one is obviously a single leg squat. So you just have your, and that's it. Whew, that was tough. Okay, and the last exercise I'm going to tell you about, because I don't have a skipping rope here, is to skip. Okay, so first, the only time you skipped was when you were a child, and as an adult you're quite unco with it, then just skip with your both legs. Okay, both feet jumping over the skip. As you get better, or if you are already quite good at doing this, then try to do it on one leg only, and keep switching. And that's it. That's how you have fun. Put on some pumpy music and have fun. And that's your exercises for balance. A little bit different with the single leg squats, but they're very helpful for strength, mobility, and balance, because the more you have, of those 3 things, the better. Comment if you need any help with anything that you're struggling with. I would love to help anybody that's, living in pain, thinking that this is it for them. Don't listen to anybody who says that to you, because the body has an amazing healing capability and it can heal almost anything. So get in touch. I am here to help people live functional, pain-free, healthy, and ultimately be happy. So like my videos, please. Subscribe to my channel, please, so I can produce more content. Okay? Thanks, guys. Bye.